and honor to welcome you to the Superintendent CEO of Schools, Dr. Anthony Smith's 2025 State of the School Address. The theme for this year's event is Building a Better Tomorrow, Today, Together.
My future aspirations are to go into aerospace and become a pilot.
Right.
I have the great honor of presenting to you this evening Morrow High School Color Guard, which will present the colors this evening under the direction of Lieutenant Colonel Raymond King, Senior Aerospace Science Instructor at Morrow High School.
My future aspirations are to attend the Air Force Academy and, upon graduation, become a second lieutenant in the United States Air Force to earn the required flight hours to work as a commercial aircraft pilot.
My future aspirations are to attend Kennesaw State University and become a cybersecurity engineer. At this time, I would like to invite Dr. E. Haney, board member representing District 5, to bring remarks on behalf of our Clayton County Board of Education.
I am Dr. D, representing District 5 in Clayton County. I am elated to be here, and I am so happy that you all are here in community that's viewing us online. Thank you for taking time to be able to be a part of this auspicious occasion. On behalf of our dynamic, energetic Superintendent, Dr. Anthony W. Smith, we want to say thank you, and we work together as we say thank you, because it takes all of us to make the ship go, and we just want to extend our gratitude as a board. We want to extend our support as a board because we work together to ensure that our scholars, did you hear what they're trying to do, what they're going to be doing? Did you hear it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we give it up a little bit?
Greetings. My name is Louise Davis, an 11th grade junior at Mundy's Mill High School. My future aspiration is to go to a HBCU, get a degree in social working, and continue playing softball. This evening, I have the honor of introducing the next program presenter. Dr. Douglas Hendricks Sr. is a proud husband and father, former classroom teacher, school principal, district leader, and now an author and the Senior Deputy Superintendent and Chief of Staff for Clayton County Public Schools.
Tonight we gather for more than reflection. We gather to reignite our shared purpose and celebrate a calling that unites us all. The calling to shape the future to the lives of our children. In Clayton County Public Schools, we have declared that every child deserves to dream without limits, grow without barriers, and rise without ceilings. And we're doing that under the visionary leadership of our district leader, Dr. Anthony W. Smith, our superintendent. Thank you all. May we continue this journey together, united in purpose and unstoppable in our belief in what's possible. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have performances from M.D. Roberts School of the Arts, Steelbowl School of the Arts, and Sequoia Middle School chorus.
My name is Sophia Wynn, a current senior at Elite Scholars Academy, serving as a youth ambassador for the Georgia School Board Association, which encourages young leaders to spearhead dialogue on educational policies and practices. Through this opportunity, I have proudly advocated for inclusivity and media literacy in schools because students can and should challenge the status quo and never take information at face value. In the fall, I will be attending Boston University with the Posse Scholarship. Where I will pursue a degree in economics and political science on the pre-law track. I am proud to say that my education in Clayton County Public Schools has prepared me to be a portrait of a CCPS graduate. And without further delay, and with the greatest excitement, please stand to your feet and put your hands together as we welcome to the stage our Superintendent and CEO of Schools, Dr. Anthony W. Smith.
We must ensure that our over 50,000 students are being taught and nourished to ensure that when they graduate, they have the skills that was described and our Clayton County Public Schools Portrait of a Graduate video. To that end, imagine that every graduate of Clayton County Public Schools walks across the stage, not just with a piece of paper called a diploma in hand, but with a clear plan and a roadmap connecting their talents and aspirations to the needs of our community and our economy. No dead ends. That's why I'm so proud to speak briefly about our most urgent effort, creating no dead ends through our 4E effect. A vision for every student to graduate with a clear plan for their future. This plan includes 4 pathways: enrollment, enlistment, employment, entrepreneurship. Our responsibility is to ensure every student, y'all, every student has a pathway, whether it's to college, the military, a career, or entrepreneurship. There should be no dead ends. And with nearly 40% of high school graduates not pursuing college enrollment, that's right, 40%, it becomes our responsibility to ensure that every pathway leads to a designation ripe with promise and prosperity. At this time, I want to recognize an educator who embodies the spirit of building a better tomorrow today together. Through his tireless efforts, he has not only put the majestic marching cardinals of Jonesboro High School on the global map, but all of Clayton County Public Schools. What Mr. Linnell Goodwin and his team, y'all, you have to have a team, and his team have accomplished with our students is nothing short of remarkable. In honor of your outstanding leadership, remarkable achievements, and exemplary demonstration of building a better tomorrow today together. February 6, 2025, on behalf of our Clayton County Board of Education and Dr. Anthony Smith, Superintendent and CEO of Schools, we congratulate you, sir, on such a fine and remarkable day.